Else you can remember, Mr. Bingley? Cried Rachel. Those girls I saw in the east windows were on the small side, replied Bingley. Okay, so then what that's telling us is that the two girls are smallish, so they're either short or tiny. So neither of those girls then are average size. So we're going to put X's there, and that tells us Samir is the average sized person. And so we're going to finish out with X's in the rest of that row. And we already know the average sized person is Samir, and Samir has the glue cut, so we can put an O there and finish out with X's in that row and column. And then over here on the average, again, we know is Samir. He was assigned seat 1, so let's put that there. And he ended at seat 3. So we'll put it O there and fill in the rest of the row and column there. Okay. And then it says, what about the person who threw the wallet? Were they short or tiny? Asked Rachel. The one who threw the item out of the window definitely was not the tiny one. The tiny girl was so little, all I could see of her were her curly ringlets bouncing around, chuckled Mr. Bingley. She was too little to throw anything out the window. So then ringlets has to be tiny. So we're going to put an O there and X for the rest of that column and row, and then an O there, and that's Barbara is short. And so we know that she is the one who threw the wallet out the window. So now we have solved the mystery. Barbara is the culprit. And if we wanted to, we could just go ahead and finish this out. We know Barbara is short and she has wavy hair. So then we have this box all done. And again, Barbara is short and Barbara was assigned to seat 3. So we can fill that out. And there we go. And the tiny person is Michaela, and she ended at 5, so I'll fill that out. And there we are. So everything is finished, and we know the mystery is solved, and Barbara was our thief.